In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a voice memo on your phone or computer, import it into Otter AI, and turn it into text. This is a simple workflow that's really useful if you want to capture spoken ideas, save meeting notes, or turn an interview, lecture, or personal reminder into written text you can review later. The overall process is straightforward. First, you record your audio, then you export or save it as a supported audio file, such as MP3, M4A, or WAV, and finally, you upload that file into Otter AI for transcription. To begin, record your voice memo using your phone or your computer. Most devices already include a built-in voice recording app, so you can usually start right away without installing anything extra. When you record, try to speak clearly and stay fairly close to the microphone so the transcription will be more accurate. It also helps to record in a quiet environment with as little background noise as possible. Once you're done, save or export the recording as an audio file. Otter AI works well with common formats like MP3, M4A, and WAV, so if you see one of those options, choose whichever is easiest for your device. After you have your audio file ready, open the Otter AI mobile app or the Otter AI website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access the import feature and save your transcription properly. Once you're inside the app or web dashboard, look for the import option. Tap it on mobile or click it on desktop, then browse your device and select the voice memo file you just recorded. After you choose the file, Otter AI will begin processing it and converting your speech into text. Depending on the length of the recording and your internet speeds, this may take a few moments. During this stage, it's best to wait until the upload and transcription are fully complete before moving on. Once the transcription finishes, open the note to view the text. This is where you can read through what Otter AI captured from your recording. If needed, take a moment to review the transcript for any words that may need correction, especially if the audio included fast speech, technical terms, or background noise. That's it. You've recorded a voice memo, imported it into Otter AI, and opened the finished transcription as readable text.